Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to complete Marin prep pace quest for the upcoming Call of Whales event in Heartopia. Okay, before you begin guys, make sure you have already completed the underground tremor quest, and after that you'll be asked to collect signs from different town residents by completing the quest they give you. And in this tutorial, we're going to focus on Marin's quest. So first, you're going to track her. She's at the fishing village and talk to her to start the quest. It's called Merchant Specialties. And I'm going to click on Leave It to Me. Okay, and we're going to perform any two-person action with a friend or chat with a town resident. Oh, okay, I'm going to look for my friend in this server. Okay, I found my friend here and I'm going to perform action with her. Okay, done. And after you perform any two-person action with your friend, you can go back to Marin and you're going to get a sign from her. Okay, let's just go back to Marin and click on the quest and you'll get a sign. Okay, done. Okay guys, and that's how you can complete Marine Prep Pace quest for upcoming Call of Whales event in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!